Hey, what's up guys, Fezo here, welcome back to another video. As you know, in my first icon pack video I showed you my favorite top 5 icon packs, so that's the part 2. I hope you enjoy, so let's get into it. First on my list and my favorite one is Leno icon pack. It has 2700 icons and 16 wallpapers. It's only $1.55 on Google Play Store. Pack comes with 6 key WGT and 7 super widgets. If you look close to the icons, you can see the lines going on the edge of the shapes. I really love that design and it gives really nice looking effects to the icons. I really recommend you to use Leno wallpaper to make your home screen better. Second pack on my list is Moxie. It has 2800 icons and 24 wallpapers. It's also $1.55 on Play Store. The reason I select this icon pack is the smooth gradient on almost every icons. This gradient takes your icons to the next level. I really love it and highly recommend you if you are looking colorful and fun looking icons on your phone. You will request the icons if you have non-supported application on your phone. It doesn't come with any widget, but you can get really nice wallpapers with the icons. Next is Simplet icon pack. It's $0.89 on Play Store and has about 1100 icons and 12 wallpapers. This pack comes with flat icons with different shapes like circle, rectangle and custom designed icons. In this pack you will get looks like the faded out wallpapers. If you use these wallpapers with this icon pack, icons will pop up on your home screen and gives real nice looking style. It doesn't support most of third-party icons, but you can try to request if you want. Next pack on my list is a little bit different and interesting icons called Honk. As the name shows, it has 1200 fun custom icons and also 46 cloth wallpapers. Most of the icons in this icon pack looks like inside the colorful liquid drops. It gives different style to the icons. I recommend you to use these icons on custom styled home screen. If you are using default home screen on your phone, it will not look good on your screen. If you have non-supported icons by Honk, don't worry, this icon pack also put the non-supported third-party icons in the liquid drops like others. Last icon pack on my list is Delta. It supports almost 1900 icons and 79 cloth wallpapers. I recommend you to use same styled wallpaper like in the Simplet icon pack. All the icons in this pack is simplistic and flat designed. Delta's difference from the other packs is the light colors. If you look close to it, you will see what I mean. Most of the icons located in the rectangle and circle shape. I highly recommend this icon if you want minimal looking home screen on your phone. Okay guys, that's all for this top 5 icon pack. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please smash the like button and subscribe if you don't already. You can also write your favorite icon packs in the comment section below. Maybe I can record them in my next top 5 videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.